90% of recruiters are using LinkedIn to find candidates for job openings. LinkedIn is a great place to seek out hidden job opportunities, but if you're not using LinkedIn effectively, your profile may go unnoticed. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks to help you create a LinkedIn profile that stands out and gets recruiters to contact you. By now, you probably know that LinkedIn is a powerful tool that can help you connect with potential employers, network with industry professionals, and showcase your skills and experience. But many professionals still forget to keep their profiles up to date and professional. Here are some key factors to consider. If you're using LinkedIn for the first time, filling out your whole profile at once may seem overwhelming. To get started, focus on the most visible sections at the top. Your profile picture is the first thing people will see when they look at your profile, so make sure it's a high-quality headshot that makes you appear professional and approachable. Your cover photo should also be work-related and add value to your profile. No need to see your summer vacation. This section right here is called your headline. It's like a mini introduction to your profile, so make sure it's catchy and attention-grabbing. This doesn't just have to be your job title. It could also be your area of expertise or the type of work you're looking for. Next, we have your About section, which is longer than your headline and gives you a chance to share your story and showcase your value to potential employers. Write a compelling paragraph or two that highlights your accomplishments, skills, and career goals. The last thing to do as a LinkedIn beginner is to customize your URL so that it's easy to remember and share. Now we can take a look at the more complicated sections, like your work experience. This will be similar to your resume in the sense that you should list your past jobs from most recent to oldest. Be sure to include the company name, your job title, and a brief description of your responsibilities and accomplishments. You'll also do the same for your education here. List your most relevant skills, both hard and soft. Hard skills are specific abilities that you have, such as programming or writing. Soft skills are more personal qualities, such as communication, teamwork, or leadership. Now that you've got a great profile, let's get into some of those more advanced tips to truly stand out. Throughout your resume, add keywords that are specific and relevant for your field. This will help employers find your profile when they search for candidates with your skills and experience. Then add connections and engage with them on LinkedIn. This will help you build relationships and get your name out there. Connect with people in your industry. This is a great way to network and learn about new opportunities. You can also join relevant LinkedIn groups to connect with people who share your interests. An ultimate step to LinkedIn mastery is to post your own content. Share articles, blog posts, or videos that are relevant to your industry. This will show potential employers that you're an expert in your field and that you're passionate about your work. By following these tips, you can create a LinkedIn profile that will help you stand out from the crowd and achieve your career goals. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more expert advice and tips for your job search and professional journey.